Hi, I'm Gabe with Absen, and we're here at booth 7236, and today we are in front of our Saturn series, our 2.6 pixel pitch. So you have any productions or any type of facility that you have an event and you want to assemble a great LED video wall with vibrant colors that is easy and light to assemble. Our Saturn series is our #1 product for our Rena staging. If you want to come on back, I'll show you the cool things about our Saturn series. One of the greatest things that makes this is our carbon fiber base, which is right back over here. And here we go. So we have a carbon fiber base that makes this light with a magnesium housing. We have flat brackets that keep it flat. You can concave it or convex it, so you can make curves on it. So if you actually come over here, see these round circles here? You can actually add curves to these by pretty much up to 15% just by rotating these and actually creating your curves, which makes it easy to have a show, make it immersive, and have a memory that'll last forever. So if you want to come see the Saturn series, it's booth 7236 and come say hi.